Hello, my name is Rashidul Maula. I'm from Bangladesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Business Administration and Advanced MBA. I also done my research thesis program in my MBA program. I'm very interested. I'm very interested in the intercultural leadership program. I want to learn how to work with people from different cultures. I believe this program will help me improve my leadership and communication skills. My goal to do to do social work and help people in my country. I believe I am a hardworking and motivated person. I am ready to learn and grow in an international environment. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.